What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Shar, and I am back with another video. So y'all, if you guys can tell from the title, I will be making homemade chili, and these are my ingredients. I use chili beans. These are the mild ones. You use diced tomatoes, your preference. We have some chili powder for, seasoning. Gas to have that. We have saltine crackers. Some people use the oyster crackers. It's your choice, whatever you like to use. We have different cheeses, like this cheese, and then we have another cheese dip, which is this one that we use for like cheese dogs, cheese fries, whatever you use. And then we have the seasoning mix. These are the two pots I will be using. So yeah, let's get straight into this video. Hope you guys enjoy.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the pop. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me questioning what it's done. You used to be out of reach.
Alright, y'all, so this is the finished product. Bon appetit, honey. Y'all, this chili was so meaty, so seasoned, well seasoned. When I say this chili was so good, I'm about to go in there and grab me another bowl right now as we speak. Oh my God, y'all. I outdid myself with this one. Like, I normally make chili all the time, and you know, every time it tastes different. And this one, it was more thicker. Like, normally I like it a little, not a lot loose, but not too thick. And this time it was the right consistency. Like, it had the right amount of seasoning, the right amount of beans, the right amount of green pepper, onion, the right amount of meat, like just how I like it. I like my chili to be meaty. I don't like chili with a lot of beans in it. So, you know, I put sugar in my chili as well. But with this chili, baby, you don't even have to put no sugar in it. Not even in any of my chili, you don't have to put sugar in it. That's just your preference if you like sweet chili. So, y'all, with those crackers, baby, I told it on, okay? It was so good, y'all. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and take up these recipes. So, yeah, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And press that bell for post notifications so whenever I upload, you'll be notified. And always remember, stay blessed, be humble, and be yourself. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.